Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install an adjustable shower arm. This type of product will raise your shower head height up, or it can extend it out, or even lower it if you need it. And honestly, I'm proud of all of our products at HammerHead Showers because they're all metal and built to last, but this far and away is our best quality product that we have. And I'll talk to you a little bit about the features and just how much this adjustable shower arm blows all the other ones out of the water when it comes to quality, durability, and performance. I have the adjustable shower arm. It comes with a hex wrench, which we'll use to tighten these locking screws down. That's one of the features. If you've ever had one of these and had it sway back and forth, we have the anti-sway locking screws, 2 of them in here that will tighten down once we're done and it's not moving. Adjustable wrench for the adjustable shower arm to tighten this down without scratching it. We'll use this to clean up the old shower arm pipe, and I'm gonna put a rain shower head on it and upgrade from the small one because this and a rain shower head work perfectly together. So let's get started. Before you go ahead and make your installation, want to make a special service announcement. Make sure you always use thread tape on your product. A wise plumber once said, you can't over seal. So over seal your product and you'll make sure that you'll have no leaks for life. Some threads require thread tape to get a seal, some a washer, but best to use both when you can. So we'll start by removing this shower head. I'm just going to use the adjustable wrench here and loosen that up, and just use this cloth to clean the threads here, especially if you had old thread tape on there. This comes equipped with a black washer already installed. Just make sure it's seated in there. So what I'll do, because this comes in the box like this, is just loosen up these knobs, which again, our knobs are super nice, easy, ergonomic. There's a lot of these like little wing nuts on the market that are made from flimsy metal. Ours are robust. And we have these super thick teeth inside of here that when they bite down in HammerHead style, they don't release, all right? So I'm just gonna make this straight out, and then I'll do the same thing on this side. You just gotta loosen this out, okay? Pull this out to the side, and then I'll just move it down, and then just make sure it's lined up. I'll just tighten it down. Not all the way. This is just to get it ready for install, okay? The screws should be backed out. It's a good idea. Take your cloth, throw it over your drain. That way, if a screw drops out, it doesn't go down the drain. So with this all cleaned up, washer in there, this extended out, I'm just gonna hand tighten this on. All right, and then I'll take my adjustable wrench. And you don't wanna over tighten it, just give it a little extra turn there. Now that looks good. Now that I have this on there securely, I'm gonna take the little hex wrench and these 2 screws, I'm gonna tighten them down. So the one screw will prevent this piece from turning at all, even though it's not gonna turn right now. When I tighten this down, this won't turn left and right, swaying. And then the back screw, make sure that it bites down onto the pipe. So this female nut doesn't turn at all. And very few manufacturers have these features. Again, you know, this is a arm that can articulate up and down. You don't want it falling down on you. So now I have this really snug. What I'd suggest doing is installing your shower head while it's here, because it's way easier. Okay, so we have the rain shower head here with a screened washer in here. Just gonna hand tighten it on here. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I just want this to come out overhead like a rain shower head without having to do anything fancy with the plumbing. So I'm just gonna loosen this up and I'll just tilt this down like that. Okay, because it's easier when it's down here to work with the shower head. And then I'll do the same thing here. Loosen this up. And then you have to pull this out, right? This needs to pull out so that the teeth in there unlock. So now I have it here, and I'll just tighten it, and then I'll adjust the rain shower head. You wanna make sure that this is without any gap, right? There's teeth that interlock inside of here. So when you are adjusting this, make sure you're always holding it. You don't want this dropping on your head. But you see, this is the gap, right? And when you tighten it down, Right now I can't tighten it down anymore, but there's a gap, right? It's not in there. You wanna make sure that when you're tightening this down that it completely compresses in there, and you should feel it close down together so you know it's locked. This thing's not going anywhere. And look at this thing. If you did this, I'm pulling pretty hard on the adjustable arm. If you did that with any of these on the market, except for ours, it would fall right down, okay? And then this is pretty snug on there, okay? I really have to try hard to turn it. So here it is, all installed. I've set it up so I can take a rain shower experience like that, but you could make it higher or lower if you want, just adjusting this. We'll run some water through it and test for leaks. So there you have it. You want to check right here. If it's leaking from here, it could be you didn't line up the gears right. So make sure that this is lined up. If it's leaking from here where it's not, you want to do the same thing. Make sure it's lined up. These should be flush and there shouldn't be any gap in between here. No leaks, seat's right on there. It's not going to move. So there you have it. The adjustable shower arm all installed. Thanks for joining me in this video. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.